Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mujibur Rahman. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Si Ahlak. The word Ahlak etymology in originates from the language is single from is huluk and is plural from is ahlak, mean action or behavior. The word huluk is also synonymous muru'ah, adat, dignity, custom, and tabiat, nature or character. So, this word has since been absorbed into the Indonesian language as ahlak, becoming part of a vocabulary. In the Kamus Umum Bahasa Indonesia, ahlak is defined as budi pekerti, watak, and tabiat. The word ahlak share the same root as Halik, the creator, which come from the root word halako. This implies that ahlak function as a mediator that break communication between that halik, creator, and makhluk, creation, in a reciprocal manner, which is referred to as hablum minallah, relationship with God. From this vertical relationship, hablum minallah, emerge horizontal relationship among human beings, referred to hablum minan nas, relationship with fellow human. The difference and similarity between ethics, moral, and akhlak. Number one, ethics. Ethics come from the Greek word ethos, which means habit or character. Its specificity, ethics is bred of knowledge, the Dexys principle of right and wrong basic. On this human reality, ethics is storytelling and philosophical in nature. It explores the logical reasoning action with not without depending on color or religion. Example in professional ethics. A doctor must maintain patient confidentiality, even though society might not necessarily understand the logical reason behind in the face. Number two, moral. Moral comes from the Latin word mors, which means custom, tradition, or habit. Moral are related the norms or values that exist in society regarding what is considered good and bad behavior. Unlike ethics, which is logical and universal, moral are local and practical. They can vary from the place in to another. Example: in some communities, speaking Tuludi is concrete, impure, and immoral, even though ethical, it might not be right. Example: in some communities, speaking Tuludi is considered impure and immoral, even though ethical, it might not be wrong. Number three, ahlak. Ahlak is different from the Arabic word huluk, which means character, devotion, or behavior in the concept of Islam. Ahlak refers to human behavior that arises from inner awareness and faith in Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Ahlak does not only access outward action but also consider the intention and sincerity behind them. Ahlak is based on divine revelation, the Quran and Hadith, and therefore is from those concerned with time or culture. Exam being honest in part of noble ahlak because it is commanded by Allah and accepted by the Prophet Muhammad, not merely because it is logical or socially expected. The sort of moral teaching akhlaq brought by the Prophet Muhammad is one other than the Al-Quran, as mentioned in a narration. When Aisha, the wife of the Prophet, was asked about the character of the Prophet, she replied, "His character was the Quran." This meant that the stand of the Prophet moral was the noble values contained in the Quran. The Prophet himself was the living model or embodiment of those noble values. In other words, the behavior of the Prophet was manifestation of the values of the Quran. This explanation provided an understanding that the concept of akhlaq is higher in meaning that other terms use disable behavior, such as moral, ethics, custom, or character. Akhlaq originates from the soul, and the soul in the central control of human life, capable of receiving spontaneously without prayer through so it's rhythm of the soul. In contrast, concepts like moral, ethics, custom, and decency are based on human standard, which are limited and vary depending on factors such as culture, level of civilization, and reasoning. Thus, it can be concluded that akhlaq is a attitude manifested through action and behavior. The nobility of akhlaq, with all its characteristics, as described above, further emphasizes the noble purpose of the Islamic religion, because noble character or akhlaq mulia is the main objective of the Prophet Muhammad mission in carrying the message of Islam. From the expression above, it becomes clear that akhlaq, in essence, is a state of the heart which can be either good or bad, and is referred as one behavior. If the heart is pure and good, the good character will be displayed. Conversely, if the head is the term, so will the character be goodness in moral akhlaq, that basis on revelation is perfect in ocean loveness.